Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fine. Have you written your homework? Did you touch the homework? I hope you have done your homework. Already we have seen the alphabet in the previous class. Did you study? What is alphabet? A set of letters in a fixed order used for writing a language is called the alphabet. How many letters are there in the English alphabet? There are 26 letters in the English alphabet. What are called vowels? A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. What are called consonants? All the other letters other than vowels are called consonants. Today we are going to see about the first lesson. All of you take your English book, note, pencil and eraser. All of you take your English book, note, pencil and eraser. All of you take your English book. Look at the picture. This is your English book. Your English book name is Roots. Your English book name is Roots. Take this book. Your first lesson is Everything Looks New. Your first lesson is Everything Looks New. Everything Looks New, written by Mala Kumar and Manisha Chaudhary. Everything Looks New, written by Mala Kumar and Manisha Chaudhary. Illustrated by Priya Kurian, published by Bradam Books. Okay children, all of you open your book, book page number 11. All of you open your book, book page number 11. All of you look at the picture. What is he doing? The boy is drinking water. There is a sun. Can you find the answer? We will learn about now summer season. We will learn about now summer season. Summer means கோடைக்காலம். கோடைக்காலம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? The sun shines brightly in the sky. சூரியனோட வெப்பம் அதிக அளவில் இருக்கும். அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுதோம்? Summer season. So we wear cotton cloths in the summer season. We drink cold water and eat ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Okay children, next look at the second picture. The girl is wearing sweater. When we wear the sweater, in the winter season. What is the season? The winter season. In the winter season, we wear the woolen cloths. We feel very cold. We feel very cold. Winter season எப்படி ரொம்ப குளிரா இருக்கும். ஸ்வெட்டர்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Okay children, next look at the third picture. Many flowers are blooming. The butterflies are flying. It is a spring season. It is a spring season. In spring, it rains a lot. In spring, it rains a lot. Spring means வசந்த காலம். வசந்த காலத்துல நிறைய மழை பெய்யும். The birds start singing sweet song. The birds start singing sweet song. The birds are very happy. The spring season. The birds are very happy. The spring season. The weather is warm. வெப்பம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? வெதுவெதுப்பாக இருக்கும். Okay. The weather is warm. You can see rainbow in the sky. You can see rainbow in the sky. Have you seen the rainbow? Yes. Trees are blooming. Trees are blooming. Tiny birds appears on tree. Tiny birds appears on tree. Purs மொட்டு. Purs means மொட்டுகள். மரங்கள் மொட்டுகள்லாம் தோன்ற ஆரம்பிக்கும். The grass is growing. The grass is growing. The birds build a nest. The birds build a nest. பறவைகள்லாம் கூடு கட்ட ஆரம்பிக்கும். இந்த சீசன்ல ஸ்ப்ரிங் சீசன் வசந்த காலத்துல. ஏன்னா எல்லாமே மழை பெஞ்சு அப்பதான் என்ன செய்யும்? நல்லா செழிப்பாக இருக்கனால birds, trees, when we look, everything looks new. Okay, next look at the next picture. It is your autumn season. It is a autumn season. Leaves fall from the trees. Leaves fall from the trees. மரங்கள்ல இருந்து இலைகள்லாம் என்ன செய்யும்? உதிர்ந்து விழுந்துரும். அந்த சீசன் தான் என்னது? autumn season. There are no leaves on tree. Autumn means இலையுதிர் காலம். Autumn means இலையுதிர் காலம். Okay, children. Now we are going to see first lesson. Everything looks new. The first lesson is everything looks new. Next, all of you look at the picture. Can you see the picture? Who is he? She is Minu. She is Minu. Her name is Minu. She is looking on tree. Many birds are singing a song. Many birds are singing a song. She is looking nature. She is looking nature. It is the first day of spring. Let us read to find out what Minu will learn about the season from her Amma and Grandpa. What will Minu learn about the season from her Amma and Grandpa? Okay, all of you open your book page number 11 and 12. Now take page number 12. All of you listen to the class. book page number 12. Today is Vasant Panchami. Today is Vasant Panchami. Vasant Panchami is a festival. What kind of festival? Vasant Panchami means Saraswati Puja. Saraswati Puja. Already you know Puja holidays. So same. Vasant Panchami is a festival. My parents say that it is the first day of spring. Whose parents say that is the first day of spring? Minu's parents say that is the first day of spring. Minu's parents said Vasant Panchami is the first day of spring. Vasant Panchami is the first day of spring. வசந்த காலத்தோட முதல் நாளை தான் வசந்த பஞ்சமியா நம்ம என்ன செய்யறோம், செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுதோம். Spring is the season between winter and summer. Spring is the season between winter and summer. The spring season comes between winter and summer. Winter season க்கும் summer season க்கும் இடைப்பட்ட காலத்துல தான் இந்த வசந்த காலம் வருகிறது, spring season வருகிறது. So it is called Vasant Ritu in Sanskrit. So it is called Vasant Ritu in Sanskrit. Sanskrit means one language. That language Samaskritam. Samaskritatல Vasant Panchami is called Vasant Ritu. Okay children, have you understood? Are you listening? Okay, next para. In many parts of India, people pray to the goddess of learning, music and art on this day. So, in many parts of India, இந்தியாவோட பல பகுதியில், in many parts of India, India is big country. So many people are living. So in many parts of India, first pray to the goddess. Goddess means female god. பெண் தெய்வம். முதல்ல when we start any work means first of all pray to the god. After only we start our work. Yes or no? Yes. So same like this. In many parts of India, the people pray to the goddess. After they will start their work. So this Vasant Panchami, that day, they pray to the goddess. After start their work. Many birds are sitting on the tree near my house. Many birds were sitting on the tree near her house. Whose house near many birds are sitting? Minu house near many birds are sitting. I think they are singing to me. So now Minu thought they were singing to her. She thought they were singing to her. அவ அந்த பேர்ஸை பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது அந்த பறவைகள்லாம் அவளை பார்த்து பாடிக்கொண்டு இருக்கிறது அப்படின்னு அவ என்ன செஞ்சா, திங்க் பண்ணா. அம்மா இஸ் ஆல்சோ வியரிங் எ yellow saree. Amma is also wearing a yellow saree. Who is wearing a yellow saree? Minu's mother is wearing a yellow saree. Her mother was wearing a yellow saree. Such a pretty color. The saree color was very nice. Pretty means alagana. அந்த எல்லோ இஸ் என்னது ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்துச்சு. அவளுடைய எல்லோ கலர் saree ரொம்ப அழகா இருந்துச்சாம். Her mother name was Basanti. Her mother name was Basanti. Her name was very pretty. Grandpa wants me to plant a tree today. So her grandpa said, I wanted the plant a tree today. I wanted a plant a tree today. Because spring is a good season, so grandpa said, I want plant a tree today. So now Minu asked grandpa, why? So that you will have a friend to grow up with, Minu, he says. So grandpa said, you will have a friend. If I planted a tree today means you will have a friend to grow up. You will have a friend to grow up with. உனக்கு ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்டு கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்ல. Spring is a good season to start something new. Spring is a good season to start something new. So the grandpa said, spring is a good season. மற்ற சீசனை காட்டிலும் spring is a good season. So we start something new. All of you keep your finger on the line. Take your book page number 12. Now reading time. Today is Vasant Panchami. My parents say that it is the first day of spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer. It is called Vasant Ritu in Sanskrit. In many parts of India, people pray to the goddess of learning, music and art on this day. Many birds are sitting on the tree near my house. I think they are singing to me. Amma is also wearing a yellow saree, such a pretty color, Basanti, and such a pretty name. Grandpa wants me to plant a tree today. Why, Grandpa? I asked. So that you will have a friend to grow up with, Minu, he says. Spring is a good season to start something new. Read again. Today is Vasant Panchami. My parents say that it is the first day of spring. Spring is the season between winter and summer. It is called Vasant Ritu in Sanskrit. In many parts of India, people pray to the goddess of learning, music and art on this day. Many birds are sitting on the tree near my house. I think they are singing to me. Amma is also wearing a yellow saree, such a pretty color, Basanti, and such a pretty name. Grandpa wants me to plant a tree today. Why, Grandpa? I asked. So that you will have a friend to grow up with, Minu, he says. Spring is a good season to start something new. Spring is a good season to start something new. Okay, now all of you take your homework page. All of you take your homework page. Put the day and date in the corner. Lesson first. Everything looks new. Write the heading. Everything looks new. EVERYTHING. Everything looks. LOOKS looks. NEW new. Everything looks new. Homework. Find the answer from your book. Book page number 12. Find the answer. Book page number 12. Question number 1. Vasant Panchami is the first day of dash. Vasant Panchami is the first day of dash. Vasant, V-A-S-A-N-T, Vasant. Panchami, P-A-N-C-H-A-M-I, Panchami, Vasant Panchami. I-S is T-H-E, the F-I-R-S-T, first. D-A-Y-D, O-F, of, first day of dash. Number 7. Spring is the season between dash and dash. S-P-R-I-N-G, spring. I-S is T-H-E, the season. S-E-A-S-O-N, season. Between, B-E-T-W-E-N, between, dash, A-N-D, and dash. Spring is the season between dash and dash. Number 3. Dash is called Vasant Ritu in Sanskrit. Dash is called. I-S is C-A-L-L-E-D, called Vasant, V-A-S-A-N-T, Vasant Ritu, R-I-T-U, Ritu, in Sanskrit. S-A-N-S-K-R-I-T, S-A-N-S-K-R-I-T, Sanskrit. Number 3. Minu's mother had worn a dash saree. Minu's mother, M-W-E-N-U apostrophe S, mother, M-O-T-H-R, Minu's mother, H-A-D, had, W-O-R-N, own, a dash saree, S-A-R-W-E. Minu's mother had worn a dash saree. Many birds were sitting near her dash. Many birds, M-A-N-Y, many, B-I-R-D-S, birds, W-E-R-E, were, S-I-T-T-I-N-G, sitting, N-E-A-R, near, H-E-R, her dash. Many birds were sitting near her dash. Write neatly. இதனுடைய ஆன்சர் புக் பேஜ் நம்பர் 12ல இருக்கிறது. ஸ்டோரியை நல்லா வாசிச்சு ஆன்சர் கண்டுபிடிச்சு எழுது. Are you writing? Okay, children. Thank you, everybody.